Dear students, welcome to my English class. Today I am going to discuss about notice. It's a short composition of 4 marks. Do you know the meaning of notice? To give attention to something. A notice is very important form of written communication used by individuals and organizations to convey information about functions, events and occasions or announce something that has happened or is about to happen. I'm going to tell you a very easy way to learn the steps of a notice. So, when you are writing a notice, just remember the picture of an octopus. You know, an octopus has 8 legs. So, one leg, name of the organization or institution. Second leg, word notice. Third, date. Fourth, heading or the subject. Fifth, content. Sixth, name. Seventh, designation. And eighth leg, box. So now I will tell you one thing, that how the teachers assess the answer. So they divide 4 marks in 3 different parts: format, content, expression. Format includes the name of the organization, the word notice, date, heading, writer's name, designation, and the box. Content, it must answer the questions what, when, where, how, etc. So, these are the value points. If you are discussing about an event, so what is it? When it is going to take place, and where, that means venue, and how you have to take part or how you have to reach to that place, whatever information you want to give. So now you must be thinking, what about 1 mark? That is for expression. It relates to the overall organization and relevance of the content as well as grammatical accuracy and fluency. That means your presentation of the answer. These are the various subjects on which we write notice. Notice for meeting, notice for events like competition, tour, celebration, annual sports, cultural events, etc. Notice for lost or found. Notice for seminar, workshop, debate, other literary event. Notice for appeal, warning. Notice for change of name, residence, company, etc. But the common thing is the format and the word limit should be 50. You should not exceed 50 words. The language must be lucid and in third person, that is pronounced like I, me, you, mine, your, etc. should not be used. But I will tell you about one exception. If you are writing notice for lost or found, you can use I in that notice. Suppose you have lost your book in the ground, you are a student and you are writing a notice. So you can start it with I lost my book, or you can start with lost my book. Here is an example. Recently, it was in the news that a hurricane hit USA and around 13 states were affected. Being the head girl of your school, draft a notice for the students and staff appealing for donations of relief products like clothes, money, books, and other articles in not more than 50 words. This is an appeal. You see, as the name of the school is not given, so name of the organization is ABC School. Notice, then date on the left side, heading, appeal for donations. Then you see the content. In the content, the details required are whom to appeal, you can give a slogan or message. Your way should be courteous. Then, if required, in any of the appeal, you can sometimes give warning also. Sometimes you can give what punishment is required. In this case, no punishment, but if it is a notice of warning, then you can give what punishment has to be given. Then name of the issuing authority, that is PQR name. As the name is not given here, so we have written PQR because you are not supposed to write your original name. Then the designation, head girl. Now, self-assessment task for you. There are 2 questions here. First one is notice for a competition, and the other one is notice of a lost thing. You have misplaced something, your notes. So now you have to see what content you require for these 2 questions, because format will almost be the same. Thank you. Happy learning.